What is Via Ferrata? We're here in the mountains east of Ogden today to find out.
A lot of people wonder what Via Ferrata is. Yes, it means the iron road. There is a steel safety cable anchored all the way up the mountain. You can climb to the left of the cable or the right of the cable, but you're always connected into the safety cable. With Via Ferrata, you're climbing right together and you're talking to each other the whole time. So it's a lot of fun, and people of different skills, different ages can do it together. You get to get the adrenaline rush that a super fit, super trained climber gets. You get to get the views that only elite climbers can get, except with Via Ferrata, just about anybody can do it and do it safely.